Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use tool rib. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं रिब टूल को। साथ ही साथ हम जानेंगे कि हमें कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइडेड होते हैं रिब टूल में। So let's begin. We are going to start with the creating new document and click on path. And now we are going to sketch. Let's click on the sketch and we are going to draw a circle and we are going to constrain it. Let's provide the dimensions. I'm going to provide the dia 20 mm. Okay, so let's exit this sketch. Now we are going to talk about the tool rib. So as you can see the tool below the hole, or you can find this option on main menu. Simply go to insert and sketch based feature and rib. So in other software it is known as sweep. So we are going to use this tool. So first of all we are going to draw a other sketch. So therefore we need a path and the profile. So we have drawn our profile and now we are going to draw a path. So I am going to draw a curve using the spline. Okay, so let's exit the sketch and now you will see we are going to use the tool rib. So first of all we are going to select the profile. As you can see in the dialog box, here we have to choose the profile and now we are going to choose the curve center. Simply we are going to choose this one and you can see you can control the profile, keep angle, keep pulling direction and reference surface. So we are going to keep angle and we are going to press OK. So as you can see we have created the profile using the rib. So let's see what more options are provided on the tool rib. So expand it and let's double click on it. So you can merge the rib ends. Okay, you can see you can't use the option merge rib, and for the first feature of the current body simply going to press OK. We are not going to use this one, and also you can provide the thick profile. You can thick it to 3 mm. Okay, that would be perfect. And you can also provide the neutral for fiber and the merger ends option. So simply we are going to press OK and now you will see we have created the profile using the tool rib. So for using the tool we need a profile and the curve, or I can say path and the profile for using this tool. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool rib. I hope you like this video and thank you.